What is going on, apes, the ape army? Jim Cramer has flipped in one day, going from buy AMC and GameStop, now saying that they are not the trade. So we're gonna look at this. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help push out this FUD and help to debunk this and really give a lot of AMC investors a warning about a lot of these other stocks. So Jim Cramer, as of June 17th, said Jim Cramer advises Wall Street bets to stay focused on AMC and GameStop, too much money being lost on other names. That was June 17th. That was yesterday. Now today, June 18th, he says Jim Cramer says memesters may have got a stock right, but it's not AMC or GameStop. Now this stock he is talking about, he flipped on that even about a month ago. He said it was a horrible company, and now he is saying that you should buy the company. So we're going to look at exactly what he said. Now, he said Cramer took to Twitter to say that memesters may have a good one in renewable natural gas company Clean Energy Fuels Corp. Jimmy Chills is a nickname given to Cramer. Chill thinks the memesters have a good one in clean energy, even as they gaffed at people with the hype. Love you guys. Cramer also suggested that retail investors may want to consider advanced micro devices if it gets regulatory approval to buy rival chip makers Xilinx. Shareholders of both companies approve AMD's pending $35 billion acquisition of Xilinx in April. That is obviously not the stock we are talking about right now. I think AMD is a great term, long-term buy and hold. That is why it is a significant part of my portfolio as well. But why it matters: Newport Beach, California-based Clean Energy Fuels is among the stocks that continue to see the highest interest on the Wall Street Bets forum. Earlier this month, Cramer advised investors on Twitter to be careful after the sudden surge in clean energy shares, noted that the company had no real revenue growth and almost no profitability in a decade. However, Cramer later changed his mind and said on CNBC's halftime report that the company is not a meme stock, according to a report by CNBC. Earlier on Thursday, Cramer called out Wall Street Bets on Twitter, pointing out how company insiders at AMC Entertainment, Corsair Gaming, and others are taking advantage of the Wall Street Bets pump to cash out of their personal holdings. And that is true, and that is something you guys are going to have to be very, very careful of, guys. You're going to see a lot of people that are pumping or getting out of their trades, right, that were in a lot of these trades. But let's just take a look at what this actual stock is doing today that he is talking about. Up 8% after going from the last 3 months at about $7, now rallying back to the upside. And this is going to be very short-lived, guys. This is a stock that you have a lot of people going back and forth on. Like Cramer said originally, has no plans of profitability. So yes, you can trade these, you can make money, but when a stock is up almost 500% in the past year and is not proven to be reliable, right, you're not seeing a constant bottom, unlike we are in GameStop and even AMC staying in a range of $50 to $60, you could see this thing very well fall 20 to 30% in any given day. Now, it is not nearly up towards its highs February 9th, where it hit $18.64, so there could be room to continue to the upside, but I do think in a lot of these other meme stocks, there's a lot more potential downside here, and that is just something to be very, very careful of. The last thing I want you guys to do is put all of your account, even some of your AMC gains, into some of these meme stocks and watch the insiders cash out and other institutional investors that own the majority of the company sell out and leave you guys holding the bag. But like I said, there is opportunities to play some of these stocks like we have been doing in the buy and sell alerts. We have been killing it. So if you guys want to be a part of that, check that out, link down below in the description. But there is much more risk here than actual potential profits. This stock in September of 2020 was trading at about $2, guys. If anything screams risky about that, it's this insane push to the upside. Even though this is part of the movement, very, very risky here, guys. So I would be very mindful of what you guys see and hear. Even people like Jim Cramer that tend to have an influence on the stock market are flip-flopping back and forth, and then once this thing crashes, he's gonna say that he told you guys to stay out of it and that it was risky. So I'm not a financial advisor, do whatever you want, but for me personally, I might trade these stocks, but they are not stocks that I would buy shares in. If you are going to trade these stocks, the only way, in my personal opinion, is to trade them with options and take that money back to AMC. So this is a big heads up to be careful of what you see, really, where people are saying sell AMC, buy this stock, buy that stock. They're all scams, guys. AMC is proven and tested to be reliable, and we do own the company. A lot of these companies, like I said, you're going to have insiders selling and institutional investors taking profits, which are the majority of investors in these companies, leaving you guys holding the bag. And that is what really hedge funds and institutions, they're trying to do this. Get your guys' attention off of AMC and GameStop, where the real trade is, specifically in AMC. So one, they can drive down the share price and leave you guys holding the bag in a lot of these other companies they do own. So just know the risks here. I'm really making this video for a lot of newer apes that do need to hear this. A lot of people see price action increases, right, and they go piling into the stock, then it falls the next day. And I actually just made a video about Orphazyme stock, and we know exactly what that did do, guys. We were down about 10% yesterday. I literally made this video a day ago. So just be mindful of all these other stocks that seem too good to be true, because usually 9 times out of 10 they are, and you will regret ever investing in these companies. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want. I'm just telling you guys what I see happening out in the marketplace and the flip-flopping that Jim Cramer has been doing. So with that being said, if you guys want to get up to $70 in free stock, use the link down below for public. You get to choose your stock, no deposit necessary, no need to even link a bank account. And I just got $30 in Beyond Meat and $50 worth of Tesla, all for free. So you might as well roll the dice and see what you do get. It's literally free money by definition. And like I said, if you guys want to be part of the buy and sell alerts, we just hit a 500% trade as well as a 200% trade off of about a $70 investment. Would have paid for this cost for almost 2 years. So make sure to check that out, guys. I will see you later. Until the next one, peace out.